Hello everyone. So we are to simplify 8 raised to power 5 plus 8 raised to power 4 plus 8 raised to power 3 plus 8 raised to power 2 plus 8 raised to power 1 and plus 8 raised to power 0 without using a calculator. So we say solution 8 raised to power 5 can be written also as 8 raised to power 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. Plus 8 raised to power 4 plus 8 raised to power 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is same thing as 3 plus 8 raised to power 2 plus 8 raised to power 1 plus 8 raised to power 0. So here remember a raised to power n plus m is equals to a raised to power n times a raised to power m. So we apply that here and it means 8 raised to power 4 times 8 raised to power 1 plus 8 raised to power 4 plus 8 raised to power 2 times 8 raised to power 1 for this plus 8 raised to power 2 plus 8 raised to power 1 plus 1. Anything raised to power 0 is 1. So we have 8 raised to power 4 and 8 raised to power 4. We can bring it out to be 8 raised to power 4 and 8 raised to power 4 times 8 raised to power 1 divided by 8 raised to power 4 to be left with 8 raised to power 1 plus 8 raised to power 4 divided by 8 raised to power 4 give us 1 plus here we have 8 raised to power 2, 8 raised to power 2. So we can also bring it out and 8 raised to power 2 times 8 raised to power 1 divided by 8 raised to power 2 to be left with 8 raised to power 1 plus 8 raised to power 2 divided by 8 raised to power 2, that is 1 plus 8 plus 1. So if you simplify further, we have 8 raised to power 4, 8 plus 1, 9, plus 8 raised to power 2, 8 plus 1, 9, plus 8 plus 1, 9. And since 9 is common in all the terms, we can bring it out, that is 9. 8 raised to power 4 times 9 divided by 9 to be 8 raised to power 4 plus 8 raised to power 2 times 9 divided by 9 to be 8 raised to power 2 plus 9 divided by 9, that is 1. So here we can write as 9 into 8 raised to power 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 is 4 plus 8 raised to power 2 plus 1. And if we do this very well, we have 9 into 8 raised to power 2 times 8 raised to power 2 plus 8 raised to power 2 plus 1. And here, since 8 raised to power 2 is common, we can factor it out to have 9. 8 raised to power 2. 8 raised to power 2 times 8 raised to power 2 divided by 8 raised to power 2. We're left with 8 raised to power 2 plus here is 1 plus 1. So when we have 9 here, 8 raised to power 2, that's 64, into 8 raised to power 2, 64 plus 1 plus 1. And if we simplify further, we have 9, 64. Here, 64 plus 1, that is 65 plus 1. Here's 9, 64. 64 can be written as 60 plus 4. And 65 can be written as 60 plus 5 plus 1. So 9. 60 times 60, that is 3600, plus 6 times 5, 30, plus this 0, that's 300, plus 4 times 6 is 24, plus this 0, plus 4 times 5, that is 20, plus 1. And we have 9. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, we have 0. 2 plus 4, 6, plus 0, 6, plus 0, 6. Here, the third digit, 2 plus 3, 5, plus 6, that is 11. Carry 1. And plus 3, that is 4. Plus 1. So 9 will be into 4161. And if you multiply out 9 times 1, that is 9. 9 times 6 is 54. Carry 5. 9 times 1, 9, plus 5, 14. Put down 4, carry 1. 9 times 4, 36, plus 1, 37. And this is our answer. Bye-bye.